So hello guys and welcome back to Smart Money Hustle, and today I want to share with you 10 legit survey sites that you can try at home and see if you can be able to make some money online. So by the way, I've done research and these are the most legit of all the sites that are there offering surveys. And the first one on the list that I want to share with you today is called Prolific, and this one is one of the best survey sites because it focuses on academic research. That means they pay you higher than normal surveys. You just go to the website, you sign up, then you complete your profile in an honest way, okay? This is very important because it matches you with the studies that they do offer. You're going to earn in this site by answering research studies, and most of them are short and they are paying very well, okay? They do pay via PayPal. Quick tip that I can share with you about this site, guys, is to always keep the tab open because studies are usually taken very quickly, okay? You can also use something like a refresher so that it refreshes the browser, so that whenever a study is posted, you grab it fast before other people take them. The second survey site, guys, that is so legit and that you can try at home and make some money is Swagbucks. You can sign up for free in this site and then you start earning immediately, okay? So you are going to earn by doing surveys, watching videos, you can do something like shopping online, okay? And they also have some games which you can play and earn money. This site pay in PayPal cash or gift cards, okay? And a quick tip of combine surveys with other tasks so that you earn more from this site, okay? Another survey site that is so legit that you can try and see if you can be able to make money online is Toluna. So Toluna is a popular survey community that is used worldwide, okay? And after you sign up to this site, you just complete your profile and then you start getting the surveys, okay? So in this site, you're going to earn points for every surveys that you do, okay? And the good thing is that they do pay through PayPal or gift cards, okay? A quick tip for this site that I can share with you guys is that you check daily because the surveys that are shared, they do come often, but they do fill so quickly, okay? Another legit survey site that I want to share with you guys is called LifePoints, okay? So LifePoints is just a simple and beginner friendly survey site, okay? And in this site, you're just going to sign up, you just fill your profile and then you start receiving the surveys, okay? And you are going to earn points for each and every survey that you complete. And something else is that they also pay through PayPal, through gift cards, okay? And they also have other rewards, okay? So just a quick tip for this site, you should always answer honestly so as to avoid disqualifications, okay? All right, let me go to the fifth site. It's called ySense, okay? So this is a global earning site that has surveys and it also has small tasks, okay? So you're going to earn through surveys, you're going to earn through offers and micro tasks, okay? And it is so easy to sign up and it just takes like some few minutes and you are done signing up, okay? So this site also pays through PayPal, it pays through another payment method called Skrill, okay? And also through Pioneer, okay? A quick tip for this site, you should try different survey routers so as to increase your chances, okay guys? I'm going to site number 6, a legit survey site that you can try out there. It's called Pinecone Research, okay? So it is one of the highest paying survey platforms, okay? So joining, the only problem with this site is that joining is limited, okay? So you may need to maybe wait for them to remove you from a waitlist, or if you get an invite, that's when you can be able to join this site, okay? So in this site, you're going to earn through completing surveys and sometimes you're going also to earn through testing products, okay? So the good thing with this site is that they do pay in cash and they can also pay in gift cards, okay? A quick tip that I can share about this site is that once you get accepted, just stay active, okay? Because the opportunities that are offered are not many, they are limited. Let me go to site number 7 and it is called YouGov, okay? YouGov, okay? So YouGov is actually a trusted platform that focuses on opinions, including public data, okay? So signing up is just simple, and the good thing with this site is that it is open to many countries all over the world, okay? So you are going to earn points by answering surveys about politics, brands, including lifestyle, okay? So about payment, they do pay through bank transfer or get gift cards, and this one depends on your country, okay? A quick tip about this site is that it is slow, but in terms of reliability, it is a long-term one. Okay, so let me just go to the next site. This is another legit site, survey site that you can try and see if you can be able to make some money online. It's called Opinion Outpost. Okay, so it is actually a straightforward survey platform, I can tell you that. You just sign up and then you start answering the survey's questions right away. Okay, so in this site you're just going to earn points for all the surveys that you complete. Okay, if you complete a survey, they give you some points. Okay, and the good thing is that they also pay through PayPal, which is available in many countries, or gift cards. Okay, a quick tip about this site, this opinion outpost, is that once you complete your profile, you fully get more surveys. Okay, you get more surveys. All right, let me go to the ninth one. Okay, the ninth legit survey site that you can try at home, guys, and make some money online is called Timebucks. Okay, so this one is more than just a survey. It has many earning options. Okay, and signing up is very quickly, and then you can start earning immediately as soon as possible. Okay, so you're going to earn through surveys, you're going to earn through watching content and small online tasks. Okay, so there's those small online tasks that they do give that you can complete. Okay, so a quick tip, or before I go to a quick tip, this site pays you through PayPal, through crypto, and other methods. You can see, you can go and check the other methods that they have listed in that site. Okay, so a quick tip about Timebucks. So try different tasks to find what pays best for you. Okay, so among the sites that are the tasks that are given, just try the ones that you think you can be able to do. Okay, and see which ones you earn better off and stick to them. Okay, the last one, guys, the last site that I want to share with you is called Survey Junkie, and this one is a well-known survey site, especially in US and UK. Okay, so you'll just sign up, you complete your profile, and then you start receiving surveys. Okay, so you're going to earn points that can be converted into cash. Okay, and the good thing is that they do pay you through PayPal or bank transfer. Okay, so a quick tip about this site, you have to be consistent. Okay, and you should be logging in daily so that you have better chances. Okay, so guys, those are 10 survey sites that are very legit that you can try at home and make money online. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to be passing you through each and every survey site to show you how I'm going to open an account and how I'm going to earn. Okay, so you can follow along so that we open these sites and we earn. Okay, so a disclaimer over here, so you might find out that some of these sites maybe are not available in your country, or maybe you might find out that they are not, some of the tasks that are offered are not available in your country. If that is the case, then you can try other sites that I'm going to share, or you try any that you think is working for you. Okay, guys, so this is Smart Money Hustle. I share online job opportunities that you can try at home. Please subscribe if you are new to this channel so that you will be among the first to be notified whenever I upload content like these ones. Okay, so see you on the next video. Bye.